IEC became the villain of this election to loot the democratic rights of the people and to loot the EVM machine. Can you tell me that after voting EVM machine, 80 to 95% is a charge? How it is possible? Before 2 days of election, by please, আপনারা একটু কথা বলুন. Before 2 days of election, they started arresting our people like anything. They started raid in everywhere, and they changed all the IC to OC to SDO to DM to IPS, all IPS, IS, WBCS, WBPS, all they changed. And they selected from their party, and BJP played the game directly with the election commission. It's a betting, you can say, the got of betting between BJP and the election commission. We fought against the all machinery, where Prime Minister and Home Minister is also involved. Directly interference. SIR, they deleted 90 lakhs names from the voter list. And when we went to court adjudication, 32 lakhs were included. But do you know that after that, the 7 lakhs what was deposited together, that is also included? But nobody knows that. So how they play the dirty, nasty and mischievous games. I have never seen this type of election in my life. From the beginning, in my student life, I have seen so many elections. Even 2004 also, when I was only alone, there also I have not seen this type of atrocities. When we are students, we came to know 1972.
मैं कभी इस तरह की राजनीति नहीं देखी हूँ.
These atrocities is atrocious terrible. I am grateful to all my India team's leaders. Sonia ji ran up me.
मैं आभारी हूँ मेरे इंडिया टीम के सारे लीडर्स की, उनके समर्थन के लिए.
Arvind Kejriwal, Uddhav Thackeray, Akhilesh Yadav, Tejaswi, Hemant Soren Yadav, Jharkhand Chief Minister, all the allies of United India Alliance, Indian Alliance, they said we are totally, absolutely with you. I think our solidarity will be united and strong for the next days. Akhilesh requested me to
आने वाले दिनों के लिए विरोधियों का जो गठबंधन है ये और भी मजबूत रहेगा.
So he's coming tomorrow, and one by one everybody will come. And then I told you that my target is very clear. I will strengthen the India team just like a small person. And now I don't have any chair, so I am a commoner. So you cannot tell
अब
me
मैं एक आम नागरिक हूँ.
that I am using your chair. I am now free bird. I get full life for
मैं एक
service
फ्री बर्ड की तरह हूँ अभी.
to the people. Even these 15 years, I have not withdrawn one paisa of pension or I have not taken one paisa of salary also.
मैं आज तक
But
कभी
now I am
अपने
free bird.
एक पैसे की सैलरी नहीं ली हूँ.
I have to do some work. That I will manage to do.
मुझे अभी बहुत से काम
And our
करने हैं.
party will see. They started torturing all of our people. Even scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, they are not spared.
हमारे पार्टी के
What
वर्कर्स और
Little Girl is
कर्मचारी
working with me.
कार्यकर्ताओं के ऊपर काफी ज्यादा टॉर्चर
Scheduled
किया
caste
गया.
family. Her family was ground from last night. She is having one daughter. They have their daughter-in-law, newly married. BJP said we will rape you. And her
उनके परिवार के सदस्यों को बीजेपी की तरफ से धमकाया जा रहा है.
is about 92 years old. She became ill, but they are not allowed to take water, even drinking water, from the outside, from Bhang Barasamod to Barasat,
बुजुर्गों को
Barasat
पानी
to
तक लेने की
Devanga,
इजाजत नहीं दी जा रही है
Devanga to
कुछ जगहों पे।
Kolkata, Kolkata to North Bengal, North Bengal to Jungle Mahal, all area, South Bengal to North Bengal.
कोलकाता से लेकर उत्तर बंगाल तक, जंगल महल तक एक तरीके का आलम है। तृणमूल के ऊपर इस तरीके से अटैक किया जा रहा है।
Go for their bindings, but heartily they are not. And please remember that police is totally inactive. আমরা যখন প্রথম জিতেছিলাম আমি বলেছিলাম কারো উপর যেন কোনো অত্যাচার না হয়, বদল চাই, বদলা নয়। আমরা কিন্তু
याद रखना चाहिए जब तृणमूल कांग्रेस जीता था तब उनका स्लोगन था
আমি রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীতের
बदल चाहिए बदला नहीं,
আর 3
और हम इस तरह के काम को समर्थन भी कभी नहीं किए।